After being in our home for 23 years, we noticed that it was really beginning to weather and we were having problems with our windows, so we knew we needed to do quite a bit of work, and that included siding and windows. So we realized it was going to be a huge undertaking. We didn't have the experience, so we reached out to 4 or 5 people, spent probably 2.5 months talking to different people, different companies, looking at some of the past projects that they had done. And we got down to working with Mark at Smart Build because he had come out, I think, 3 different times. He did some design work for us online, and he was always ready to answer the question. So we went forward with Mark. He came out, laid out a timeline and what we could expect from his contractors that were going to be out. So, it was about a 3-week project just for the windows and the siding. They were courteous. They cleaned up every day. And as you can see, I think they did a great job. And as we got comfortable with them and saw the nice work that they had done, we asked them to redo a portion of our front porch and then actually put in a whole back deck. So all I can say is we're completely pleased with Smart Build, their contractors, and we'd recommend them to anybody.